You searched how to buy shares of Block Inc., and this quick guide will show the basic steps. Block Inc. is a fintech company, and its shares trade on the CBOE AUS under the ticker XYZ.ASX. This video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker XYZ.ASX to find the listing. Make sure you select the result that shows Block Inc. on the CBOE AUS exchange to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you can review basic company information and a live price chart to check recent market activity. Confirm that the company name, market CBOE AUS, and ticker XYZ.ASX match the listing before proceeding. Choose the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and select order type. Then review the details before you confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as a pending order, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once your order completes, the new position will appear in your portfolio view. For the example link and more details, see the description below.